What's really interesting about this project here is we've actually designed it and manufactured and installed it 2 times. The first time was a design that was offered by a client. Client sold the home. The new client called us and said, let's rip this out and let's go ahead and do something else. The client was very much involved in this project. They actually helped with designing and doing renders. We went and got their design and made it fit the pool properly. It's a gorgeous job, has a Venetian style geometrical designs. It's well balanced with the center medallion in the middle. And then the cross hatchings all throughout. We went ahead and prepped the pool. We took all the old mosaic out, all the old plaster that was there in some sections, and we went ahead, floated, waterproofed, and we also installed the work completely. So we designed, we manufactured, and we installed this particular project. It's beautiful, and what's really great about the whole thing is that this is one of the best art collectors that Miami has, and he actually chose us to go ahead and design something for him and make it come together. It's a wonderful project.